Y'all already know traveling could be rough, but one thing I refuse to do is step on a plane looking and feeling a mess, honey. So today I'll be showing you my travel hygiene essentials, and I'll be showing you some comfy outfits that will keep you stylish all day. So let's start off with hygiene, because hygiene is the foundation. You can have on the cutest outfits, but if you don't feel clean, the day is ruined. So this is my carry-on bag that I use. I absolutely love this backpack. It has so many different compartments. I will try to find the link, but it came with another pouch. It's like a toiletry bag. So this is the bag, and I keep all of my basics in here. I keep my hand sanitizer, my lotion, my gum, my wipes, and actually when I get on the plane, I try to wipe the seats down, wipe the tray down, and I do all of this before I sit down. So I actually carry a travel duvet for long flights, long road trips, because I don't like using public restrooms. So this is the one I have, and purple is my favorite color, okay? But they do have different options. But all you do is fill this up with water, and all you do is squeeze it and the water comes out. And what I like about this portable
Bidet
comes with a little case so you can be more discreet. It comes with this little bag so you can place it inside. So when I use this, I actually wipe first, and then I use the duvet, and then I pat myself dry. Everyone has their own way of doing it. I will insert a clip of a TikTok creator. I'll credit her below, but I love the way she explained this. Okay, she did it way better than I could.
You're going to press it and give it a little pressure, and you're going to put it everywhere. A piece of toilet paper. You're just going to pat, 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 put it down there, and that's it.
I know her video helped me a lot. That's like genius, chef's kiss, okay? And the one that I have is actually a Puri bottle, but they do have the duvets. It's the same thing. You can find them on Amazon. I'll link the one that I have. All right, so to save on space, I like to be as minimal as I can. So instead of carrying a whole bottle of face wash, I like to use a water activated face cleanser. This is the Olay Cleansing Melts, and this is so easy to use. I got this off of Amazon. It comes in a pack of 12. So it comes with the instructions on the inside, but basically all you would do is soak the pad with water, and the water activates it. So you would just, you know, clean your face like how you normally would. And this is how the pads look. It's very tiny, but it does the job. It works, okay? I love that they create things like this because it just saves me a lot of space, because you know, as women, we carry a lot of things that we don't need when we're traveling. Another hack on saving space is toothpaste tabs. Instead of carrying the whole tube of toothpaste, I found these toothpaste tabs on Amazon. All you would do is crush it up, and it foams up just like toothpaste. It's very minty, and it feels just like regular toothpaste when you're using it. So it comes in this little pack right here, and the tabs are very tiny, but this saves so much space, and also you don't have to worry about the toothpaste squeezing out. Like when I have my tube of toothpaste in a bag, sometimes it will squeeze out, and I'm tired of messing my clothes up. So yeah, this saves on space and stress. So on to the next item. I think planes are like germ central, and people love, for some reason, people love to fly sick and they do not wear a mask. So that's why I wipe down the seats. But I also carry electrolyte packs and also emergency, because I do not play about my immune system. I get sick very easily, and I'm not trying to get sick while I'm on a trip. So this is the pack of electrolytes, and all you do is dissolve this in some water. It tastes like lemon lime. It tastes really good, and you shake it up and you drink it, okay? But before I get on a plane, I will drink a pack of emergency. This as well, you put it in your water, shake it up, and drink it. And this is the orange flavor, but they do have different flavors. I think they have cherry or strawberry. And one thing I make sure I have with me when I'm traveling, I can't travel without it, is this Calm Balm. I love this, okay? Y'all know traveling can be stressful. The airport, the delays, being in crowded spaces for hours, that stress me out. This is like my little secret weapon. What I do, I rub a little bit on my temple, on my wrist, and it really helps me feel calmer and less anxious. It's the little things. Who would have known? It's very aesthetic. If you're into aesthetics, it gives you all the aesthetics. Let's get into public restrooms, especially airplane restrooms. It's a hard pass for me, okay? I do not like using public restrooms unless I have to. I will literally hold it in till I get home, especially if I'm like running errands. It's gonna have to wait till I get home. But if I'm traveling, a lot of times I find that the toilet seat covers are gone. They never refill them. If you know, you know. But yeah, you may call me extra. It is what it is. But I get these toilet seat covers to cover myself. Okay. I got these from Amazon and it's a lot in a pack. Each pack has 10 inside. Okay. So this is just something to, you know, just in case. Keep it in your purse at all times because you never know. You never know. A few weeks ago, me and my husband, we were on our anniversary trip and we stopped at a Love's gas station. And Love's, their bathrooms are normally clean. So he went into the bathroom. He told me it was clean. I was like, okay, I'll go in. I guess the attendant did not get to the women's bathroom yet. I was like, oh my God. Oh my God, it was only one stall that was decent. It was just decent. And you know what I used? This, because they didn't have any toilet seat covers. So it comes in handy. Why not? It's not gonna take up a lot of space in your bag. It's just, yeah, it comes in handy. It's very useful. So when we finally get to our destination, I like to use African nets to clean. And if you know, you know, it's very compact. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It cleans you up very well. And I think it's better than a loofah, way better than a loofah. And when it dries, it doesn't have that funky sour smell. And that's because it dries quickly. So I would just get me a pack. Okay, you can get these from anywhere. Your beauty supply store, you can get it from Amazon. And I've heard people on TikTok say, make sure you get the authentic African net. So what I do whenever I'm getting some, I get the same pack every time, but I type in African net authentic. And the one that I have comes in a pack of 3. It has the yellow, pink, and purple. And I just put it in my bag. It keeps you clean. And I'm telling you, you are never going to go back to a loofah. Once you try it one time, that's it. Oh, and if this has been helpful so far, please go ahead and hit the like button and let me know that you are loving this type of content. Let's get into travel outfits. So first up, let's get into my airport uniform. Okay, I am wearing some gray sweatpants, a white tank top. You can't go wrong with a basic white tank top, and then a cream blazer. I love this linen blazer. And this outfit is like the best of both worlds because you kind of look like you're wearing pajamas. Like it looks so laid back, but the blazer looks like you got it all put together. Okay, it just puts the whole outfit together. Now, if you're more of a cozy girl, you can swap the blazer to a more cozy cardigan. And I got 2 cardigans. I got a white cardigan and a pink cardigan. It just depends on my mood. The cardigan is giving you more of a relaxed feel, but the blazer is real bossy. But either way you go, you're not gonna look like you just got out of bed, okay? You're gonna look put together. You can just wear some comfortable tennis shoes. Now with these sweatpants, they didn't have a cuff at the bottom, so I used some long socks and I scrunched it and I created a cuff because I didn't want it to look like I was wearing high waters. So I will link everything below, but all 3 of these outfits are very cute. And do you see the bag? I always carry a big bag when I'm traveling because we just be having things. Girl, I just be having everything in there, like everything. My husband's stuff, my stuff, things that I don't need, just everything for no reason. So I always have a big bag. Next, let's get into this tan 2-piece set. This is minimal, lightweight, and let's be honest now, 2-piece sets are a cheat code. You don't have to do too much. And I say that because the top and the bottom is already styled for you. And this particular set is perfect for fall because it's gonna keep you warm, but it's not too hot and too clingy. It just flows and it's so soft. It is true to size and it is tall girl friendly. I am 5'9", so you can wear it like, you know, high-waisted, but it's very, very comfortable. Okay, now this next outfit right here, these beige pants and this brown blazer, This is one of those looks I normally wear with pointed toe shoes to sharpen up the look, but when we are traveling, comfort is a non-negotiable. So I went with my Chloe sandals instead. It's very chic, it's very comfortable, my feet won't be hurting, and this is one of those outfits I would wear out of town or out the country when I'm moving around a lot. You can wear this to brunch, you can wear this while you're going shopping, or even a little sightseeing. It's very polished, your feet won't be hurting, okay? You'll be comfortable and you can walk as long as you want to. The pants are very airy. I love these balloon pants. They are from SHEIN, and I'll link everything below. All right, so on to the next outfit. This is perfect for like dinners. When you're out of town, you're going to dinner with your girls, or you're going to see, you know, your boo, whoever it is, child. This is perfect. I'm actually wearing it right now. This deep purple. I think they do have different colors. I got this from Fashion Nova. And if you are tall like me, you know it's hard to find a jumpsuit that is long enough. You don't want, I hate high water anything. So this is tall girl friendly, okay? It just works. And with a jumpsuit, you don't have to overthink anything. It's just a one piece. You don't have to do much. And what I love about this jumpsuit, it's very elegant. It's easy to style. I wore some black heels with this, and I just put on a oversized sunny, and it's really cute. You don't have to do much. That's the beauty of a jumpsuit and even two-piece sets, because it's already styled for you. All you have to do is accessorize. And last but not least, we have this tan fringe dress. This, when I wear this dress, I feel like my vacation officially started, okay? It just gives vacation. This is perfect to wear for like a tropical island dinner. You can also wear this like on a beach. You can wear this with heels. You can wear it with sandals. To wear this with some gold heels, but you can wear this with so many different colors. Since it's a tan dress, you can, you know, put in a pop of color if you want to, or you can just stay neutral. I just wore it with a brown bag, and that was it. It was really cute. You can put on some light, like brown sunglasses to just spice it up a little bit, but it's giving vacation, honey. It's giving vacation. So let me know in the comments, what's your #1 travel essential? Because I still have, y'all know we carry big bags, I still have room to add more to my traveling kit, okay? So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Until next time, bye you guys.